Hello friends, today we're going to remove and clean the front swivel wheel on my Eufy RoboVac G30. Right now the wheel has trouble spinning because it's clogged with hair, so the wheel assembly just pulls out just like this. This is a reusable hook and loop cable tie off of Amazon, often called a Velcro cable tie. We're just going to thread it between the wheel and the housing. We're going to rotate the wheel to try and get it all the way around the wheel. Now we're going to pull it through a little bit and we're going to thread it back around. Now I'm going to attach the hook and loop or Velcro to itself, and now I've got this good loop I can pull on, and as you can see the wheel just pops out, and you can see the hair on both sides wrapped around the shaft. And the shaft itself just slides out. Here's a quick look at all the hair that was removed. Now we're just going to quickly clean off all the remaining hair from the shaft. So you can see the shaft in the center of it has a narrow diameter. I think that's to reduce rolling resistance and friction. This reduces contact with the wheel. So yeah, now let's just push this right back in. For those that are curious about how the wheel is held in place, I'm going to show you. So we just remove these two Phillips head screws. And this white piece of plastic can be removed. And then this metal loop around it on the back can be slid off. And you can see there's this bump right here, and that's what holds the wheel to the robot. You can see it fits in that groove or channel on that shaft, and it allows the wheel to spin freely. There are no sensors or electronics here. This wheel is purely to hold the robot up and allow it to move. The two large wheels on the robot are what drives it. So you can see this just slides over right here. And you can see that metal bump protruding. It's what holds the wheel to the robot. Now I'm going to reinstall it, put those two screws back in, then push my wheel back into place. You can see both the wheel housing and the wheel itself now spin freely. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below.